The University of Texas has managed to make a lot of money from land that seemed to have little value back in the 19th century. For much of the last 100 years, the value has come from the oil and gas deep underground. Now, the university is diversifying, thinking long term. And that means figuring out how to better use the land for its above ground resources.
They're looking for 30, 50, maybe the next century. And at some point, the Permian Basin will not be generating the same kind of oil. Once it's drilled, it's not being replaced. But with wind and solar, it's an asset that could be generating, for years.
In recent years, the school has also begun renting land for renewable energy, battery storage, and data centers for crypto. We've talked about wind power and solar power. There's this push to build huge data centers on open land like this. Are they embracing that as well? Are companies coming to them hoping to build large data centers?
Yes. The Public Utility Commission of Texas in April announced a pretty big project, $10 billion for 3 transmission lines in West Texas.
So they can lease all of this land. Companies can have these aspirations of putting in data centers or finding new ways to get solar energy or wind energy, but they need this infrastructure.
They need transmission lines because you need to get the energy from East Texas to go back and forth from East and West Texas. So if you have wind and solar, you have to get the energy it's producing to go through some sort of transmission line.
This is The Big Take from Bloomberg News. Today on the show, how the University of Texas harnessed land and oil to power higher ed, and why they're now shifting to new kinds of energy.